Hello. Welcome to Dropship N Paste version 3. We have some exciting new features and improved user functionality to share with you. Dropship N Paste now supports both United Kingdom and Canadian shipping addresses on top of the original United States engine. Just copy your buyer's address as you would normally. You do not need to copy the country. Then head over to your supplier checkout and click the extension button to paste or use keyboard shortcut Alt plus Shift plus V. Or you can right-click on the extension button and choose pop-up mode. Then click the extension button again to open the pop-up. Here you can see the fully parsed address as well as some cool secondary options. You can write notes or add custom fields to save details you need to access quickly. All info saved in this pop-up remains locally on your computer, and we have no access to it. Now, let's try United Kingdom. Go back to your customer's order. Select the UK shipping address and copy it, then go to your Canadian supplier checkout and paste. Simple as that. We support over 200 plus suppliers natively and can add support for any website you buy or sell on. Just contact us through our website with any customer integrations you may need.